Hi, I'm Candice McKechnie, the HOD of the Weather Department of eNCA. I'm not sure if you know this, but the ETV building is completely off of the grid with regards to municipal water consumption. I'm in the water treatment plant at the moment, and taking into consideration the water crisis in the Western Cape at the moment, this is a great accomplishment for us so that we can play our role in water saving. Geographically, we're located on the slopes of Table Mountain, and during the construction phase, whilst we were excavating the parking lot, we discovered a natural spring. When groundwater flows or is trapped between rocks under the ground, it becomes an aquifer, and when that aquifer reaches the ground, it's called a natural spring. I'd like to explain the treatment process to you. It supplies the entire ETV building with water, from drinking water all the way through to flushing the toilets. The manhole to my left leads to a 20 kiloliter storage tank which stores the spring water before it starts the treatment process. From the tank, it goes to the two blue filters behind me. The one is a sand filter and the other is an anthracite filter. This removes suspended solid matter that naturally occurs in stored water in a tank. It then moves from the filters through to the reverse osmosis plant, which desalinates the water. This removes the higher levels of salt as well as viruses, pathogens, and bacteria. All sources of contamination are removed by this system, and this is the heart of the process. The water produced is of a very high quality and is ready for consumption. It can also be used for bottling purposes. 2,500 litres of water is produced every hour by this plant and then stored in these two tanks. From these two tanks, the water is pumped up right to the roof via these two motors, at which point it supplies the entire building. This is our dosing system, which introduces chlorine into the produced water to make sure that it's 100% safe for drinking. This is our control panel. It monitors the entire process. It's fully automated, but we can switch it over to manual if we need to do any maintenance or if we need to fix something. The water quality is tested regularly, and it's even higher than that of the municipality. We use stainless steel throughout the entire water treatment plant, which renders it totally sterile. We recently had the water tested by an independent water analysis company, and the results were great. We were tested for total microbiological activity per milliliter of water. To be safe for drinking purposes, this amount should be below 1,000, but ours was 0. Total coliform should be below 10 per milliliter. Our test results show that ours were 0. The report found that the water quality is excellent. There was also no E. coli found in any of our water samples. This effectively means that our water is even cleaner than that of the municipality and definitely safe to drink.